Okay. Let's walk back up.
More cigar shops and distilleries and bars.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah. I guess they really put it into the tourist market now then.
Yeah. I guess that's what tourists do these days. They don't come for
Oh, they got a-
souvenirs and knickknacks. and
Got a
this.
band coming up there,
Come
look.
to get wasted.
Oh. Right. Let's walk in here a second. Oops. Looks like they're just setting up over there. Huh. Here we go.
I found out where that music's coming from. It's coming from upstairs.
Oh yeah, there's
That
a
door right there leads to the upstairs. See where the neon sign is? See right there?
Oh,
inside
that
the
one,
building?
yeah, I
the
see.
stairs go up to the second floor.
Huh.
That's the bar. Oh, more pigeons.
yeah. Oh, he's thinking we're feeding them. Interesting. Totally tame. Huh. Straighten this up again. That's it. Oh, they put some. I don't think that was there the other day. The flowers. It was it?
Yeah.
Okay. I just
Yeah,
maybe
the
just didn't
oldest
see it.
schoolhouse in
No, I mean the
Florida.
schoolhouse was. I didn't see the flowers.
Oh, the flowers right there now.
I didn't think so. Look at the face at the window up there. Look.
Oh, yeah. There's a little mannequin up there.
I'm sure that wasn't there yesterday.
Oh, I
2
don't
days
think it
ago
was.
either.
Yeah, that window was closed. So
Yeah, I guess because of the weather.
I guess they're
Interesting.
preparing for, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I guess they must open it when,
Yeah. That is interesting though, isn't it? Ah. Oh, that's Paranormal Tours.
yeah.
They do a lot of those. That's the ice cream shop, so I guess that's right next to the corner there.
Yeah, I think that's the courtyard.
I think so. Let's take a quick look. There might even be an entrance off the courtyard. If it was me, I would put one. Oh look, there's like an arcade there or something.
Yeah, this is the place I was talking about.
Yeah, we could easily just go in there and
Sit right here.
Yeah,
in the
that would
shade.
work. Yeah. Okay. There's even an inn up at the top. Yeah, we can get through there, I think. Didn't even know there was a hotel there.
Yeah.
I guess
One
so.
of these buildings is a hotel, but I don't remember which one. The whole second story of all these buildings, I'm pretty sure, is the
Like a
hotel.
hotel. That looks pretty nice. I guess I'll turn this off before we go in there.
Yeah.